Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can change the background of your Zoom camera on iPhone. So I can make you professionally work on your online meeting with Zoom by changing the background, the real background that you have that probably unprofessional, to be more professional. You just need to open your app library and tap into the search button Zoom application and just tap it to open it. Wait until the application is perfectly open and just take a look at this button feature. There will be like several options pop up here. So you just need to go click into these three small dots, and then you just need to go click into the settings, especially on the meeting section. Take a look on this video and go click background and effects. So that will bring you into the camera simulation. So this is the look. Let's pretend that my hand show off in this camera. Here is our face in front of the camera whenever we do the online meeting. So if you want to change this background, you just need to swipe up, and there will be a lot of background provided by the Zoom application that you can choose here. Or if you already have the picture on your iPhone, go click this pause button to access the photo library. And whenever you got the background, you just need to tap it so that the background will automatically change it. So this is the simulations of the camera of the Zoom application. So this is whenever you show up your face right in front of the camera before your meeting. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it, guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.